Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Japanese ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to invite someone to do something in Japanese? You'll learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Emily, and this is 3-Step Japanese by JapanesePot11.com. In this lesson, you'll learn how to invite someone to do something through a quick conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they ask about the topic and how the other person responds. わー、いい部屋ですね。広いです。そして、眺めも素晴らしいです。早速、温泉に行きましょう。少し休みませんか？部屋でゆっくりしましょう。いいえ、まず温泉に行きましょう。Let's break it down. わー、いい部屋ですね。広いです。そして、眺めも素晴らしいです。Wow, this is a nice room. It's spacious, and the view is wonderful too. 早速、温泉に行きましょう。Let's head to the hot spring right away. 少し休みませんか？ How about resting for a bit? 部屋でゆっくりしましょう。First is the word 部屋 meaning room. 部屋 Next is で the location marking particle. Together, it's 部屋で in the room. 部屋で Next is ゆっくり. In this sentence, it means something similar to relax. ゆっくり. This is followed by しましょう. This is our focus for the lesson. By using the ましょう ending for します which means to do. It becomes let's do. So, ゆっくりしましょう means something like let's relax. If you translate it literally, it would be something like let's do some relaxing. Altogether, it's 部屋でゆっくりしましょう. Let's relax in the room. The response is いいえ、まず温泉に行きましょう。No, let's go to the hot spring first. This sentence also uses the lesson focus. First is 温泉に meaning to the hot spring. 温泉に Then is 行きましょう meaning let's go. Again, we use the ましょう form here to turn to go into let's go. So, it's let's go to the hot spring. Let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is the structure that all of our examples will follow. ます stem, ましょう let's verb. This sentence pattern is used to propose or suggest doing something together in Japanese. It is a polite and friendly way to invite someone to join in an action. Let's break it down. First, you take a verb in its ます form, which is the polite present/future tense form of the verb. Then you remove the ます ending, leaving only the verb stem. Finally, you attach ましょう to the stem. This ましょう structure means let's verb and implies a suggestion or invitation to do something together. For an example, let's see how a line from the dialogue follows this pattern. 部屋でゆっくりしましょう. Let's relax in the room. In this sentence, here, する is the base verb meaning to do. Its polite mas form is します. Removing ます gives the stem し and adding ましょう results in しましょう meaning let's do. So, 部屋でゆっくりしましょう translates to let's relax in the room, following the mas stem ましょう pattern. Now you can use this pattern to politely suggest activities in Japanese. Now let's look at some speaking examples. Let's break it down. The verb する meaning to do is used here. Its polite mas form is します. To create the mas stem ましょう pattern, we remove the mas from します. Leaving the stem し, then we attach ましょう to the stem, forming しましょう, which means let's do. So, in the full sentence, しましょう fits the pattern, mas stem ましょう, meaning let's do. And the entire sentence, 誕生日のパーティーをしましょう translates to let's have a birthday party. Literally, this would mean let's do a birthday party. But let's have is the more natural translation. By understanding this pattern, you can create polite and friendly suggestions in Japanese. Here's another example. 12時にランチを食べましょう. Let's eat lunch at 12 o'clock. 12時にランチを食べましょう. Let's eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Let's try one more. 部屋の掃除をしましょう. Let's clean the room. 部屋の掃除をしましょう. Let's clean the room. Another one. もう5時ですね。晩ご飯を作りましょう. It's already 5 o'clock. Let's make dinner. もう5時ですね。晩ご飯を作りましょう. It's already 5 o'clock. Let's make dinner. Now you know how to invite someone in Japanese, and you can move on to the practice. またね。